See, this is the electrical distribution board that customer complained that breaker always tripping. That's the problem. Me and my brother check what the problem. After we did remove this bus bar and check that breaker, MCB breaker, that one is problem, that one not proper working. That's why we will replace that one. See, we will buy new one. I will change that one and install new one. See, we are installing new one and making connection proper tight, need to proper tight. If they loose, again coming short circuit. Also, we will put that bus bar. See, but need also proper connection, otherwise not will be proper work. Okay, this is Azizi Samia building, that on Dubai, Jabal Ali place, Al Furjan place. See, we did fix that one. Now we'll turn on the breaker, that on main, and we are one by one. Breaker 1, that one we did change and new one. Okay, done. Now working. You see, all breaker is okay, not again tripping. We are success that one. Thank you everybody.